is El Burro Perdido, a 2012 Triumph Scrambler with an air-cooled 865 parallel twin. It's taken me all over the western United States the last 5 years, logging about 12,000 miles through back roads of California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Nevada, and Arizona. It's been dead reliable, super fun to ride, takes all my gear and more if I need it, and turns heads and gets big smiles everywhere it goes. This past weekend I strapped on the GoPro and went for a ride on local back roads, and I wanted to share the Triumph Scrambler experience with you all. Hope you enjoy. The bike is basically stock, aside from some upgrades in the suspension, some accessories for road touring, and a few visual changes that I wanted to make. But the Ohlins front fork cartridges and the Ikon adjustable rear shocks in the back made the biggest difference in the windscreen and Barkbusters, as well as a tool roll and gas can help on the